Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Potomac local and long-distance movers near me, needing the service of a long-distance moving company for your Potomac move, Maryland, can be stressful. Finding the right moving team to assist with the move will go a long way to reduce the anxiety. 3 Movers knows how important your move is, and we can help. Whether you are looking for a full-service mover to handle all the details or want to save money by doing some of the packing and preparation on your own, we can offer the services you need. Keep in mind that the most significant factors in a move's cost are how much stuff you are moving and how far it's going. If you can reduce the shipment's weight, the price will be lower. We can offer some suggestions on packing, and we can submit a quote for doing that part of the job for you. Our team of professional movers is efficient packers, and they make sure that your important items are safeguarded for the journey when we pack them. Ask about crating for your fragile objects when our representative comes to talk to you about the work. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Potomac moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.